Hello everyone, welcome back to LoDe Life in UK channel. I have bought a piece of topside beef joint that is usually roasted or braised a long time to make it break down and melt in the mouth. Today, I will make topside beef joint stir-fry with bell peppers and onion. The beef will not stand down on its own. Every bite has a uniform taste with no strong contrast between the ingredients. That is the reason I want to share with you and how to do that. To make the beef tender easy to chew, I will slide against the grain. These are the muscle fibers. I will try slide this way at the right angles to the lines to shorten them. This makes the beef more tender and less chewy. Slices are 3 or 4 mm thick. Do not slide too thin. The beef will fall apart later. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda into 3 tablespoons of water and stir well. Then add this liquid into the sliced beef. This is the technique used to tenderize the meat and only uses a small amount of baking soda. The baking soda water will penetrate each piece of meat easier and more evenly. Mix them well until the liquid is absorbed into the beef completely. Cover with the lid and put this aside for 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, I process the bell peppers and onion into square pieces. Sliced garlic and ginger coat the spring onion or are now ready to cook. After 20 minutes, the slice of meat looks shiny and moist. That is because the baking soda raises the pH level on the meat's surface. This results in a tender and moist texture after cooking. Now, I have to rinse the meat in the water thoroughly a few times to wash off the baking soda, which can impart into an unpleasant taste. Dry them with kitchen towels. To marinate 750 grams of the beef, I add a tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of water, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, a little black pepper powder. Mix them. And add a tablespoon of chili oil at the end and mix well. I only use 300 grams to cook this dish. The rest will be frozen for using later. I am making the stir-fry sauce with a tablespoon of light soy sauce, a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, a teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of chicken seasoning powder, 100 ml of water, half a tablespoon of cornstarch. Stir them. Add half a teaspoon of chili sauce, half a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir them. At last, add a little black pepper powder and a teaspoon of vegetable oil. Add the oil into the wok over low heat. Add the meat. Spread and saute them for 3 minutes. Then stir them on medium-high heat until the meat is cooked 80%. put them into a bowl. Put the wok back on over the low heat. Add a teaspoon of oil, sliced ginger. Saute the ginger until the fragrance comes out. Add the garlic and stir. Add the bell pepper. Stir them. When the pepper is slightly cooked, add the onion and the spring onions. Stir them until the fragrance comes out from the onions. Add 2 tablespoons of stir-fry sauce. Stir quickly. Add the meat into the mixture and stir quickly. Add the stir-fry sauce and stir quickly over the high heat to the stir-fry sauce to absorb all the ingredients for 4 minutes. Now it is done and looks so attractive that I want to enjoy this with steamed rice straight away. Please cook, enjoy and let us know your thoughts about this dish, and do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next Friday.